Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy recipe. I'm going to show you how I make my smoked chicken and avocado pasta salad. Real quick and easy recipe, this one. Alright, so Mrs. KP has cooked up a little bit of fusilli. You can cook as much or little as you want. That's around about 3 cups worth. And I'm just going to put a little bit of oil over the top. It's still a little bit warm, but we're going to give that a little bit of a stir through and let that come back to room temperature. Okay, you can put that in the refrigerator if you wish to cool it off even more. A few dried chives, I'm going to put that in as well, just like that, and season this up. A little bit of black pepper, freshly ground, of course. That's going straight in over the top. Now, you can now add your dressing. I like to use a Cardini's dressing, but at the moment I can't find Cardini's. But I have found a nice little ranch dressing from Costco. It just works out really, really nice. It's not too strong on the flavors. Now, here I've got some smoked chicken, probably around about 150 to 200 grams worth. I've cut that myself. You can buy that from your local supermarket delicatessen, and they'll shave that up really nice and thin for you. As I said, this is a very quick and easy recipe to do, especially on a hot summer's day. A little bit more dressing. You can add as much or little as you like. I like mine just with a nice coating over the top, so it just gives everything a nice little gliss of dressing all over. Now, here I've got some avocado, and I'm not going to chunk this. I'm just going to get a spoon and take little bite-sized pieces out of the avocado, just like I'm doing there, and put that straight in over the top. I told you this was quick. I told you this was easy, and it is perfect when avocados are in season and the price is way down. Okay, I'm not trying to quote any supermarket at all. I actually bought these from not a grocery store, but a vegetable seller. I can't think of the word. Give all of that a quick toss around, just like that. Really nice and simple. And before you know it, our salad is almost done. Now all we have to do is plate this up, and I'm going to add a few little enhancements to this particular salad, because eating that on its own, it seems a little bit boring. Now, if you wanted to add a bit of spring onion to that, that would work out absolutely perfectly. But I'm going to go a little bit of a different route. Okay, here I've got some shaved pecorino cheese. You could use parmesan if you want to. Some people don't like pecorino. I like the funk of the sheep's cheese. I'm going to top it off with a little bit of alfalfa on top, just like that. And before you know it, you've just batted your eyelids, and you've got KP's smoked chicken and avocado pasta salad, perfect for any hot day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We are trying to get the KP's Kingdom out there. More importantly, leave a comment. I love responding and reading every single comment. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something really quick, really simple, and quick, budget inspired, just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, and you will never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my smoked chicken and avocado pasta salad, and I will catch you later. Bye.